Godaddy POS review. Today we will discuss about its pros, cons, features, and pricing. Here is my honest opinion. What are the pros? Versatile payment methods. Accepts payments through multiple channels, including online, in-person, via pay links, and through a virtual terminal. This makes it ideal for businesses with both e-commerce and physical locations. Unified dashboard tracks both online and offline sales in one dashboard, simplifying sales management for multi-channel businesses. Secure transactions. Payments are secured with PCI compliance and end-to-end encryption, ensuring safe and reliable transactions. Integration with accessories. Compatible with existing hardware like cash drawers, receipt printers, and barcode scanners, so you don't need to overhaul your equipment. Third-party payment processors allows for third-party payment processing, such as Stripe and Chase Payment Tech, through WooCommerce integration, giving you flexibility in payment solutions. What are the cons? High renewal rates. Initial pricing is affordable, but renewal rates can increase significantly, making it costlier for long-term users. Limited hardware selection. Offers only essential POS hardware, Smart Terminal Flex, and card reader. Businesses needing a wider range of equipment may find this limiting. No comprehensive free trial. While Godaddy offers a 7-day free trial for its hardware, there isn't a free trial for the entire POS service. Competitors like Square offer more generous trials. Scalability challenges. May not scale well for larger companies due to its limited features and hardware selection for high-volume retail operations. Let's talk about features. E-commerce integration. Godaddy POS integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce stores, allowing users to build websites, create online stores, and manage sales across multiple platforms. In-house payment processing. Godaddy Payments offers competitive rates for credit debit card payments, contactless payments, and virtual terminals. Funds can be processed and received within one business day. Pay links. A unique feature that lets businesses create custom payment requests that customers can access via a QR code or direct link, making remote payments more convenient. Analytics and reporting. Comprehensive reporting tools track revenue, inventory, and customer data. The Godaddy Payments Hub provides a centralized view of all transactions, returns, and receipts. Let's talk about pricing. Essentials Plan, $24.99 per month. Flex Plan, $79.99 per month. Expand Plan, $129.99 per month. Hardware pricing ranges from $99.99 to $499.99 per device. If you're an e-commerce business owner or someone just starting out, Godaddy POS is a fantastic choice. It's easy to use, integrates with WooCommerce, and has competitive pricing, perfect for scaling up. Just watch out for renewal rates.